Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. When you crave a great tender Swedish meatball dish, you make it at home. Let me show you how to perfect this cozy dish, and let's get started. This is a great comforting dish that comes together fairly quickly, and I'm making everything in one pot and on the stove top. I'm not using the oven for this recipe. I'm gonna start by slicing and chopping finely one medium onion, or about 1 generous cup chopped finely. I'm gonna saute the onion on low heat, add 40 grams of butter, and I'm gonna let it cook for 5 or 6 minutes or until it becomes softer and more translucent. This is what it's gonna look like 5 to 6 minutes later. I'm stirring occasionally. I'm gonna remove, place in a separate bowl, let it cool a little bit. The onions are cool to the touch. I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of panko crumbs, preferably plain. We're adding our own seasoning. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. It's gonna add a nice flavor. Crack 1 egg on top of the mixture. Mix that slurry very well, and then you're gonna add the meat. And I'm using here 2 pounds of chuck meat. It's 85%. I want the meat to have a little fat in it. You can add a mix of beef and pork, but here I'm using all beef. And like I said, make sure the meat has a little bit of fat in it for a juicy meatball. Add salt, black pepper, a generous amount of allspice, and a touch of nutmeg. And for your convenience, I'm gonna leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. I'm adding a little bit of nutmeg, and I'm gonna mix all the ingredients together. I form good sized balls, about 65 grams each. I finish the whole amount, and then I'm gonna sear over high heat. I use the same pan I sauteed the onions in. I'm not gonna clean it or anything. I add some vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna sear the meat on all sides, and it doesn't have to cook all the way through, just to develop a nice color. If you're liking my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. I rotate very gently until I'm very happy with all sides browning nicely. I'm gonna keep all the drippings in the pan. It's pure flavor. You're gonna add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and for some reason I missed this shot. Here I added the flour, 3 tablespoons, and 1.5 ounces of beef paste or chicken paste, it doesn't matter. I'll add a link to the brand I used in the description box below. And if all you have is chicken stock or beef stock, use that, it works as well. I'm gonna start adding 3 cups of water gradually. Add just a little bit of water and make sure to get all the drippings on the sides of the pan. Mix until you incorporate the full 3 cups of water and let it come to a boil. Now I adjust the salt, add more allspice, add 2 tablespoons of sour cream, mix it in very well, and now I'm gonna put back the meatballs and let them finish cooking. 15 minutes of simmering time and they'll be done. and cooked all the way through. I like to serve with egg noodles or rice. Both will taste great with these amazing Swedish meatballs. I hope you give them a try soon. And until next time, bon appétit!